beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about new construction homes. On top of talking about new construction homes, I kind of want to talk about how easy it is to get into these homes. Don't forget, I help everybody around the United States. If you actually in Florida, I can actually help you personally, but I have connections all around the United States that can help you get into these different types of homes. So definitely let me know. I can help you out. My phone number is 833-RICKITA. Call or text me anytime. And even if your credit is not the best or you don't think you're ready, let's kind of get started. Let's start having that conversation so that you guys can start preparing to be able to get into these different types of homes. But I want to kind of show you like the different types of homes that's out there. So I have a home here. It's $100,000 and it's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. I'm going to show you another one in $300,000 and then another one in the $400,000, $500,000 range. But I kind of want to show you these different types of homes to let you know sometimes you're paying for area. A different area, you may pay more because you may see some of these homes look similar, about the same size, but you're paying more. But some of these homes too, you're going to get more features, and that's why you're paying more. But let's kind of look at some of these homes. So this right here is the $100,000 home, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And that was a kitchen. It's like this is going to be the living room. So this is kind of like an open concept. Now, like I said, when it comes down to any of these homes, there's more than just these homes available. There are some people out there that want to actually pick everything that's going to go into their home in terms of like the fixtures. They want to know like what type of countertops. They want to pick everything, even the layout sometimes. So if you want to do that type of new construction, I can definitely help you with that also. But these are like the types of homes that's new construction, newly built, and they're ready for you to buy right now. And there's so many homes out there, you guys, that you can pick from. But just let's start that conversation. So definitely reach out to me. Like I said, this home right here is only $100,000, $103,000. So this is nice for somebody that, they want to keep a mortgage. I'll say about $800. If you want to keep your mortgage really low, but you want a newly built home, freshly built home, this would be perfect for you. But if you want me to send you a list of homes, definitely let me know. I can connect you. If I'm not in your state, I can't send you homes. But if you want me to send you homes in Florida, I can definitely send you homes. So just definitely go ahead and reach out to me. But you can see too, with this home, it's still really nice and it's only $100,000. And some of these builders, you can see right here where it says move-in specials. Some of these builders, they actually do have move-in specials. I actually went and looked at some today, and I looked at some 2 days ago. One of them was offering $10,000 credit off of the price, and then also a $5,000 closing cost credit. So that is really good. That is money to help you actually be able to close on your home. This one has a pool also, it's a community pool. Also, an area where you guys can work out. So, they have like a small little gym, a tennis court. So, this one is really nice, and it's almost 1,400 square feet. And this is the full layout of the house. So, don't forget that one is $103,000. So, let me show you another home. And this one right here is $364,000. It's actually 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and almost 1,700 square feet. This one right here has a lot of photos, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to get through all of them, but we can definitely look at a few of them. Don't forget, there are so many homes out there you can buy. You can also pick exactly what you want in your house, and they can actually build it from the ground up. So yeah, you may see these different types of homes. You're like, oh, I like this, but I wish I would have had this layout. I wish I would have had that. They probably will have that available, especially if you're willing to wait. So right now, a lot of builders are saying it's going to take about 6 to 10 months. So you guys definitely look into those numbers to see if you're able to wait 6 to 10 months to be able to build, or see if you want to just buy something that's already available. So this is a different type of feel. I guess this house right here isn't fully furnished like the last one was, so we don't get a full feel for it. Yeah, I see why they have so many photos too. They're doing like different pictures of it all. That's really nice, like a bedroom. And when I went into a property, a lot of the builders say that they can sell you. Say if you see a house that has like beautiful furniture, they say that they can actually sell you that furniture too. They can actually put it in with the price of the house. So definitely when you get into new construction, if you like a model home and they already have all the furniture in there, like say if you want it, you like, oh my gosh, Rickita, I love the beds in here. I love the furniture that they have in the living room and dining room. I love the furniture in the kitchen. Everything that they have. If you guys want that, don't forget you may be able to get that and it'll be added on to the price of the home. So you'll be able to just basically move right on in to all of this furniture into your brand new house. Everything will be brand new, even the furniture. And so this is really nice. Don't forget this house, it has 4 baths. So 4 bedroom, 4 baths. Every bedroom has its own have their own bathroom, so that's good. And this is the kitchen. It's really nice. And it's open. Yeah, so this one right here, like I said, is 364,000, and this is actually without the bar stools here. But I want to show you the next property. I don't want to bore you guys with showing you so many different properties. If you guys want me to send you a list, definitely let me know. I can send you a list of properties. But this one right here, I believe is in the $500,000 range. We'll see. My computer is kind of slow. Okay, perfect. There we go. Yep, $520,000. So let's go ahead and look at a few of these photos. It's 400, and it's actually have a nice little balcony too. That's nice, right over the garage. Now this one is almost 2,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. So this is bigger, a lot bigger than the last ones we've seen. So you are getting more space. And this one is 520,000. Looks like my computer is kind of crashing some. But like I said, if you want me to show you any of these homes or you want me to send you a list of homes, definitely go ahead and contact me. I'll be able to send you a list of homes. Or I can be able to connect you. Say if you're in a different state, you're not in Florida, I can be able to connect you with other realtors that I'm connected in. I'm connected with in a different state. So I'm connected with a few realtors in each state. So it doesn't matter. I don't care if you're in Georgia, Texas, Wisconsin. Go ahead and give me a call and I can go ahead and connect you with a realtor and we'll be able to send you some homes. Now, a lot of times people say, okay, Rickita, I see these homes, I cannot get approved. And I always tell people, hey, listen, do the basics because a lot of times they can't get approved because of their credit. Like, do the basics, get your credit cards, make sure you have at least 4 credit cards in your credit reports, 1 installment account. And I'm going to show you a few that I want you to try to go ahead and apply for. But just go ahead, apply for those credit cards. And if you guys have anything negative in your credit reports in terms of late payments, charge off, bankruptcies, foreclosures, these different things, you need to get it deleted. And sometimes too, some people may have a lot of late payments on their student loans. Those student loans, late payments can really hurt you. So you may want to work on removing your student loans from your credit reports. But let me show you like an easy credit card that like almost anybody can get. And I always tell people to get this credit card because you can actually get 2 with this company. So I usually tell everybody to get the Capital One credit card. So if you're looking into getting a home, you cannot just get approved right now. Maybe your credit score is in the 400, 500s. And if you don't have at least 4 credit cards, you may want to look into getting the Capital One credit card. So the Capital One, they have the Platinum credit card and they have the Quicksilver One rewards. Now, this is for people that has at least, say if you have at least a 580 credit score, maybe a 550, then I want you to try to get these credit cards. If it's not a 550, you know your credit score is not a 550, look on Credit Karma, then you may want to go ahead and get their Platinum Secure. But look, when you get the Platinum Secure credit card, it's going to be a $200 limit, right? But depending on your credit, they may tell you, hey, just put $49 down instead of the full $200 down. Because with secure credit cards, you got to put a deposit down, which is the same amount as the limit. But that's different with Capital One. They may tell you, hey, put $49 down, put $99 down, or depending on your credit, they may just ask for the full $200. But go ahead and sign up for this credit card if your credit score is under 550, because you're going to see your credit score is going to increase a lot. So you're going to see your credit score increase a lot. And after 6 months, they're going to actually upgrade your credit card to the regular Platinum MasterCard. which is really good. So I mean, you'll have a regular credit card and it won't be secure. So it's called graduating or upgrading your card. So make sure you pay your bill on time. Make sure you keep the balance low on it, and you will see that your card will get upgraded or will graduate to the regular credit card, which is here. Now, I know I told you guys I want you to have 4 credit cards. So I always tell people, seriously, get a credit card with Navy Fed, because Navy Fed is easy to get a credit card with them, even if you would start off with a secure one. We'll talk about that. It's easy to get a credit card with them since you can start building a relationship with them. And Navy Federal Credit Union, they actually have loans too, like no money down home loans. So I really want you to start building a relationship with them. Now, if your credit score is not at least a 620, I do want you guys to start off with the secured. But with their secured credit card, you can put a $200 deposit down. So just know you're going to do that. You're going to put a $200 deposit down. And in 6 months, they're going to graduate your credit card to a $2,000 limit. So I really like the Navy Fed's credit card. So definitely you guys look into getting a secure credit card. But if your credit score is higher, then I want you guys to get the Cash Rewards credit card. And you really just want to build a relationship with them. So make sure you keep the balance on your credit cards and make sure that you're not maxing out your credit card and going over the limit, because that's going to really drop your credit score so much, you guys. So make sure you keep the balance low. When I say keep the balance low, never in your life, don't spend, especially if you know you can't pay it and you're going to get in debt, don't spend more than 30% of your credit card. So make sure that you look on Credit Karma. They'll let you know what's 30% of your credit card. Do not spend more than 30%. On top of that, if you want to have the best credit score because you want to buy a house, make sure you guys don't spend more than 5% of your credit cards. But yeah, they have different credit options here. Make sure you guys do your research on these different type of credit cards, because other credit cards you guys can definitely get approved for depending on your credit. Now, I always tell people, if you don't have an installment account, such as, let's think, if you guys don't have like a car, if you guys don't have a personal loan, or maybe some student loans, reporting positive payment history, I would tell people to sign up for Self. Now, when you guys sign up for Self, let me show you the plan that I have. When you guys sign up for Self, you have to pay a certain amount per month. So I pay $48 per month, and I pay it for 12 months. And then after I do that, I would get $539 back. Now, what I love about them is this. They're reporting to the credit bureaus every month that I'm paying on time. And every month that they're reporting, my credit score is going higher and higher. Even if I get 5 points this month, 5 points next month, you got to think about it. They're reporting every month for 12 months. And you will see, I'm going to pop up some results for a client when they first signed up for Self, how much this boosted their credit score. So I don't care where you guys start. If you guys have a very low credit score, get these accounts. Start getting these accounts, add them to your credit, get them added to your credit reports. It's going to automatically report as long as you're paying on it. They're going to report positively. Get these accounts, and you guys are going to see your credit score is going to go up a lot. Now, there's other accounts out there that you guys can apply for. If you guys have any questions, or if you want me to look at your credit reports, or maybe have somebody on my team look at your credit reports, definitely let me know, because we can look at your credit reports. And tell you which credit cards I think that you guys should actually apply for. But like I said, let's get you into this new construction. Let's get you into any home that you may want to get approved for. And if you have any questions, call or text me. I can definitely help you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.